What's up, guys? My name's Tony, and I'm here with a Mandevilla Vine, and I'm going to show you how to repot it. This is going to be part 2 of my series of repotting most of my indoor houseplants that used to be outdoor houseplants. A few weeks ago, when we got our first frost, I had to bring all of these plants inside really quickly, and I didn't have time to make the perfect soil recipes. So these plants have been kind of neglected, and I'm going to show you how to make really good soil for your Mandevilla plants. Mandavilla vines grow natively in Central and South America in tropical and subtropical areas. So as long as we can replicate that, they will grow just fine in a pot inside of your house. I kept my Mandavilla vines throughout the summer. This is actually 2 in 1. I have a white Mandavilla and a red Mandavilla kept in the same pot, but these do really well in tight spaces. I found that the best soils mimic the soils of the plant's natural environment. So what I add to mine is 50% potting soil. I use Happy Frog, but you can use whatever you'd like. The Mandavilla vine prefers a well-draining potting soil, so in addition to the 50% regular potting soil, I also add in 30% cactus soil. On top of that, I add 10% perlite to help with soil compaction, and about 5% charcoal to absorb any impurities in the pot. You want to make sure that you mix up this mixture as evenly as possible for the benefit of the plant, and you may also have to add some water. I live in a very dry area, so I'm going to have to add a bunch of water. But look at that chunky mix. This plant is going to do amazing in this soil mixture. You will want to fill up your pot about 1/3 full of soil before adding in your Mandavilla vine. I'm adding 2 plants to this pot, so it might look a little bit wonky. You can use your own judgment and adjust as necessary. Make sure you fill in around the edges with your remaining potting soil. You don't want to pack it down too tightly. You want to leave it a little bit loose. This makes watering the plant a lot easier and prevents compaction. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like. Thank you, and see you next time.